4x4 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1980 Chevrolet K10 Custom Deluxe. Regular cab, long box. Now, as you can see, some patina on this vehicle. Thing about this truck, it is a southern truck. Spent much of its life in New Mexico and Texas. So appears to be fairly solid. We're going to walk around, check that out. First of all, 350 V8 power underneath the hood. That is paired up with a, I guess I call it a 4-speed transmission. Theoretically 3-speed with a granny gear, making 4 speeds. Let's call it a 4-speed transmission, granny gear, first, second, and third. How's that sound? All right, take a look at the grille, front bumper. Again, you can see the chrome. I mean, it's not perfect. This is one of those trucks. It's going to need a little TLC, but you got a good starting point. Take it to the next level. Take your time looking through the still pictures. We have the underside, the interior, engine bay, bed of the truck, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website where all the pictures are. You can also call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on BF Goodrich radials. Looks like a little more modern Chevy wheel. Get to the back and show you that also. Now, take a look around these wheel wells. This is what I'm talking about, where you can definitely tell this was a southern truck again. Much of the time in New Mexico and Texas from the history on it. Now, as far as service work, it will take a little if you're going to take it out and drive it very far. We have had it running and driving, frontage road, parking lot, around our shop. But Tex did mention some things as far as clutch pedal is a little sticky on it. It's going to take a little TLC. It does have newer drums and also pads front and rear. Yeah, but you know, a few seeps and a few leaks here and there. But like I said, it does run and drive. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. We're also going to take a little closer look at the interior as well as the engine bay. And if you want to take your time looking through those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, this is just surface rust from it sitting, baking in the sun a little bit, but it is solid. And then let's take a look around these wheel wells again. This was a northern truck. We've seen plenty of those. These bedsides would be flapping in the wind and half rotted away. But again, it's surface rust. Little patina to it. All right, let's take a peek at this interior. Appears that this was also originally a blue on blue truck. Take a look at the bottoms of these doors even. See how solid those are. Cab corners. Seat does have a seat cover on it. Does show some rips and wear, tear underneath there. I think this is the original seat that would have came in this new. You can see that in the still pictures too. I pulled the cover a ways away to be able to see that. We do have some etching in the glass here. Make you aware of that. Top of the dash. All right. I've not had the radio working either, just to mention that. And some of the lighting, some of that stuff, you're going to want to go through it. Again, give it the once over. Give it a little TLC for this thing's going down the road too far. Here's what I was talking before about basically a 4-speed with a granny gear, first, second, and third. Reverse, of course. Gonna make sure we're in neutral. I want to fire this up for you so you can hear it run. Again, 350 underneath the hood. All right. closes nicely. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. It is a little cold-blooded. Previous owner said pump it a little bit, but we've had it sitting indoors here, so not a problem. Started right up, idles. Slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood. Hood release is going to be on the inside on this one. Sounds like we have a little exhaust leak. Let's see if I can get this one-handed here. Could be a little tricky one-handed with this larger hood. There we go. Underside of the hood. I guess what you'd expect. Again, 350. You can see running fine. Power steering, power brakes. '80 Chevrolet K10 Custom Deluxe. Got a running driving project. One of those take to the next level. Southern truck. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Where you can check out all the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, but check with your sales consultant first. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1980 K10 pickup truck from Chevrolet. Project truck. A little wind noise. This quarter window right here. It's actually a little quieter if I open it up. This truck is a good runner. You shift by just putting the clutch almost all the way down. Other than that, you shift it normally. 3-speed manual on the floor with a low gear, which makes it a 4-speed technically. Rough around the edges. Maybe you want to use it for a work truck. Maybe you want to restore it. Maybe you want to turn it into a hot rod. You can do lots of stuff with the truck that is this solid. Our fuel gauge is working, speedometer working, oil pressure is approximately 50. Coolant gauge showing almost halfway up the gauge. Battery gauge is the only one I see that's not working right now. Go down into the third gear for this corner. Truck corners nicely. Steering box is nice and tight. The ride on the road is pretty good, firm enough to know that it's a truck, not too firm. Even that bed is solid. Take a look at all the pictures and learn anything you want to learn about this truck by calling us 507-386-1726 or check out UniqueClassicCars.com.